The Congress sessions held during the freedom struggle were not merely political events but laid the foundation of the freedom movement itself. These Congress sessions maintained the unity of the country and also ensured the participation of the masses in the large movements during the freedom struggle. It was these Congress sessions that gave Indians a platform to raise their voice against British rule. In 1921, Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das was chosen as the president for the Ahmedabad Congress session. But since he was in jail, Hakim Ajmal Khan led the session. During this session, the resolve to strengthen the policy of non-cooperation along with resolutions for practicing individual civil disobedience and appointing Mahatma Gandhi as the sole executive of the Congress were passed. The Gaya Congress session of 1922 under the leadership of Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das continued with the policy of boycott and passed a resolution to encourage labour unions in the country. The session of 1923 under the leadership of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad announced the setting up of All India Khadi Board and passed resolutions that encouraged the production and use of khadi along with boycotting of foreign clothes. A committee for civil disobedience movement was also formed during this session. Apart from this, a constitution amendment committee involving Pandit Nehru and Netaji was formed. The Congress sessions played a big part in establishing the party's ideology and upholding the rights of people to raise their voice against injustice. Congress never suppressed the voice of the labourers but in fact added strength to it. It gave them basic rights and introduced labour reform laws. Congress never used khadi in political rhetoric but implemented it as the core idea to unite the country and to encourage Swadeshi. Congress has always remained committed towards India's unity, which also was in effect the guiding force behind India's independence struggle. It is the unity and integrity of the country which has always acted as a wall against anti-national forces. Today, attempts are being made to demolish this wall. It is our collective responsibility to thwart this attempt and defeat anti-national forces by remaining united. Jai Hind.